In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 1020 error on a Cloudflare protected website. If you've seen this message pop up while trying to access a site, don't worry, it usually means your browser data or access settings are blocking the request. One of the quickest ways to fix this is by clearing your browser cache and cookies. Cache is just temporary website data your browser stores to help pages load faster, while cookies remember things like your login details and preferences. Sometimes the stored data becomes outdated or corrupted, which can trigger the 1020 error. To clear it, open your browser, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and go into the Settings menu. From there, look for the Privacy and Security section. Select the option that says Clear Browsing Data or Clear History. Make sure you choose cookies and cached images and files and set the time range to all time for the best results. Then confirm and clear the data. Once that's done, reload the website and check whether the error is gone. If it still doesn't work, the issue may be related to access rules on the website itself. So you may need to contact the site owner or administrator. And that's it, a simple and effective way to fix the Cloudflare 1020 error. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick tech tutorials.